Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import reviews from eBay and DSers into your Shopify store using Ali Reviews Chrome extension. We'll enable the right plan, install the extension, scan reviews, and bring them directly into your product page. Step 1. Install Ali Reviews and unlock Super Plan. Go to the Shopify App Store, search Ali Reviews, and install the app. Once inside the app, switch to the Super Plan because eBay importing requires it. If you're new, just click Start Free Trial and you'll be ready to go. Step 2. Install the Ali Reviews Chrome extension. From the Ali Reviews dashboard, install the Chrome extension and pin it. Make sure you're logged into both Shopify and Ali Reviews in the same Chrome profile. Step 3. Open the eBay product page. Head to ebay.com and open the exact product you want reviews from. Keep the full listing open. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Ali Reviews import panel. Step 4. Click Import Reviews. Click the Import Reviews button. If asked, sign in to Ali Reviews. Select your Shopify store and then map the reviews to the right Shopify product. The same way you can do for the DSers products. Open the DSers product page. Go to your DSers account and open the product you want reviews for. Make sure the product details and reviews tab are visible. You'll see the Ali Reviews import panel on the right side. Start importing reviews. Click the Import Reviews button. If prompted, log into Ali Reviews. Then select your Shopify store and the correct product in your store where the reviews will attach. Step 5. Set filters and scan reviews. Choose your settings: minimum star rating, reviews with images only, language preferences, and how many reviews to pull in. Then click Scan Reviews. The extension will crawl the eBay reviews. Stay logged in if it asks again. Step 6. Import reviews into Shopify. Once the scan is done, click Import Reviews. The extension pushes them into your Ali Reviews app, and from there, they'll sync with your product page. Step 7. Customize and check your storefront. Go back to Ali Reviews. Adjust your review widget design and colors, and then open your Shopify storefront. Confirm the reviews show up properly on desktop and mobile. That's it. You've successfully imported eBay reviews into Shopify with Ali Reviews Chrome extension.